Okay, so packages, what you'll come in here and you'll see is we have pre-populated different packages for you to use based on the length of time that you've done your business or anything like that. You can come in here and you can say, I'm going to archive this because yeah. So, you can come in here and just actually, so, one of the things I recommend doing, I'm going to cancel this first. So just take a look at them. One of the things I'm going to recommend is that you have all of your packages and pricing in a Word document on your desktop. So you can come in here and customize your packages all in one. And what you'll see is in the packages, we also have a place for you to put an image. So grab some of your favorite images and then just have it in the desktop folder. And I'm going to take you through one how I will actually make my package, and then you can just replicate that with yours. So we'll go ahead with this package, and I actually call my family package. Sounds boring, but it's what it is. So I'm going to come in here. There's my packages. So I'm going to come in here and find my family in studio package and copy and paste it here. Pretty simple. Okay, family blue for Jane, $100 print credit. See, go back to that. $13.95. I forgot to copy the price. You don't have to include the price because they will see that, but I like to include it wherever I did skip over this. One thing you'll see at the top is how many shoots are you going to have for that package. It's definitely very important for a wedding. You're going to have more than one shoot. So, but if my family package in the studio is just something like that. So here I'm going to come up and I'm going to put in an image that best represents it. Again, highly recommend coming and organizing some of your images in Studio Family. See which one I would like. Let's see. I think this guy. I highly recommend, and the thumbnail, it'll actually come up. I'm going to put it on family type, global. You can, if you wanted to have a more general, like the one that you want to pull up every single time, you can actually put global. It works across all. So if you're like, oh, if my client picks the wrong thing on my lead form, I want to have this available for them. Just whatever is comfortable for you. You can do it specifically for family or you can put it under global. We'll talk about the public profile next, but what I'm going to do is show the package on my profile. Here we go. So the first thing that you want to do is select the right contract. So I want to select my contract, not Picsello's contract, the default that actually has all of that information on that I don't want to have, and Picsello's family template for the question, because I already know the questionnaire. So here we go. So this is where I come to my pricing. Don't forget what that was. I think $15.95 or $13.95. And I do allow a print credit. So my gallery will include a $100 print credit. And one of the things that it's not included in the overall, the total, because it's actually taken out of the whole creative session. And here is where you are going to come in and edit your digital collection. So here I actually have 25 images that are included in the package. If you do have, pay for all, have unlimited, highly recommend you don't do unlimited unless you're a wedding or event photographer, because you can really help your clients, actually your bottom line when your client upsell. And I do a $50 additional image, and then to buy them all, I like to overshoot, and my clients like to buy them all. So I like to have an additional $500. The great thing about this is if you have a great shoot and there's a ton of images, and you can come in and edit the price, or if you've had a not so great shoot and you don't actually have that many images for the buy them all, you can come in and we'll take you through that. So here is my payment schedule. So we do have some defaults in here. There's 2 split payments, payment due to book, 3 split payments. You do deposit down, retainer to book, and then the remainder due before the shoot. You can also, if your clients going to want to pay over 12 months, you can come in and add up to 12 different payments. They also, once we get to payment types that you can offer after for them as well, which is good. So that is I will going to come in, pause the video. I'll do a couple more. I'll do one for each of these newborn headshot, and I will come back so you can. Okay, so I just did a couple. I just want to show you how actually really easy it is to update your package for your mini. And so I'm just going to come in, cut and paste. I call mine a limited edition package. And one of the things that I realized when we call them sessions is that they actually think of, they don't understand that they're actually coming with digital images, which are actually products. So I like to call it package when you're giving them some product, which is art. So that was my headshot sessions, and then I'm come in. Well, I have some limited edition session. Let's just. Oh, that's my mini session. I'm going to show. And again, select my contract. Next. And that was that. So this was all. This is where you some additional income. Highly recommend doing 3 to 5 images for your limited edition. Upselling. Okay, and I require mini sessions to be 100% booked, paid in full. One, it is an event, so it is like them booking an event. That can, otherwise you end up with a lot more rescheduled people. Okay, so that's my packages. I don't want for mobile since what I'll do is I'll actually archive. I need a global package since I've come in. But if you want something to be used across all job types, come right in here, global. Okay, so we're set up with